Hello everybody, this is Susa Chaudhary and today I'm going to show what can you come across when you're walking along the Danube River. I'm on the PEST side today and let's go for this long walk. If you walk along the Danube, you will come across a lot of tourist attractions of Budapest. Like right now I am in front of the parliament. Hey, where are you?
I'm at the parliament.
Show the parliament.
Parliament's here.
If you don't feel like walking, you're always welcome to take tram 2 or tram 2M. These trams goes all along the Danube, so you get the marvelous view of the Danube River and also the beautiful buildings along with it. So I'm standing in front of the parliament right now, and right across the Danube there is Fisherman Bastion, which is, according to me, the most romantic place in Budapest because it's absolutely beautifully decorated and designed. So it is a little far from here, but that building there is a Fisherman Bastion and the church behind that is called as the Matthias Church. Both of them is very well known and beautiful sightseeing areas in Budapest. The Danube is very popular among the locals, and Hungarians enjoy to spend some time and watch the beautiful sunset with their friends and family. And for sure you're going to definitely see all the famous bridges of the Budapest here. Right now I'm in front of the Chain Bridge, which is the oldest bridge in Budapest. The Chain Bridge is closed for some reason, but next to the bridge there is, what's that?
The castle area.
Yeah, the Buda Castle. Lots of water. So if you come a little away from the Chain Bridge, you will see the Elisabeth Bridge. That's the Elisabeth Bridge, and that's very popular again. And behind the bridge is the Gellert Hill, which also includes the Gellert statue, the Liberty statue of Budapest. It's almost dinner time here and I have decided to get pizza from one of the best pizza places in town, which is the Pizza Manufactura. Pizza Manufactura is very popular among the locals because they serve delicious pizza. So let me take you there. Smile.
smiling, I swear.
My camera does not want you. Not a super big place, but serves delicious pizza. I have ordered my pizza and it's gonna take around 25 minutes for it to get ready. So I finally got my pizza, and it's called as Dino from Pizza Manufacturer. Ta-da! And here is what Tony got. He forgot what he got, but it looks very cheesy, super delicious from Pizza Manufacturer. They serve amazing combination of pizza, and if you are coming to Budapest, it's my honest advice to try their pizza. It's super amazing and definitely worth it. And right now where I'm sitting, it's very close to the Liberty Bridge. That's the green bridge over there. This bridge is absolutely beautiful in the summer. And one more interesting thing that I want to show you is my university where I graduated. It's right across the Danube from here, and it's just there. That building is BME. It's the Budapest University of Technology and Economics. Well, I did not study exactly in that building, but that's BME.
Pepper.
How do you like your pizza?
Oh, I love it. I love Pizza Manufactura.
Yes.
So good.
Yes.
Approve. So, how was it?
Delicious. Absolutely. There's cherry tomatoes here. Super good combination.